We may be heading towards a more cordless society, but we aren't there yet. Until then, there are plenty of ways to organize all those cables and cords using stuff that's probably sitting in your home right now. Leftover pieces of plastic pipe are ideal for keeping cords organized and preventing them from getting all tangled up. Cut into small pieces with the ends sanded off, they're perfect for managing all sorts of cord lengths and thicknesses, and they'll last forever. I also used a long piece to contain and hide the cables that connect my computer to the monitor and power receptacle. If you don't have any pipe around, how about using the core from food storage wraps? They're quite durable and can easily be cut to length. Another freebie is single-use water bottles. Cut the top and bottom off and you have a clear plastic cylinder to hold thicker gauge cords and cables. And the next time you open a can of tomato paste, don't throw out the can. Just cut out the other end and you have a durable cord holder. Dress it up with some adhesive vinyl if you like. Repurposing things that would otherwise head into the trash is a double win. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks, and please be sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful.